And finally this evening, international recycling. When Americans remodel their homes, what happens to the things they throw away? Well, ABC's David Wright reports that if it's an old wooden garage door, it may be on its way to a whole new life.
In Irvine, California, the Hamiltons have almost finished remodeling. The final step, replacing their old wooden garage door. The Hamiltons haven't given much thought to what will become of the old door, but their contractor has. For years, he has been sending used garage doors to Mexico. Maclovia Rojas, on the outskirts of Tijuana, is a makeshift village of 10,000 people, squatters who have made a life with these unlikely hand-me-downs. Victor Molina built his family's home with a dozen garage doors and some discarded supermarket shelves. It cost him $700.
Lo importante lo que es.
Who cares what it was before, says Molina. What matters, he says, is what it is now. Here in Maclovia Rojas, garage doors are walls and roofs and fences.
It's a blessing for the poor people in this place.
How so?
It's comfortable and very quick, easy, and cheap.
Old garage doors sell for 250 pesos, about $25, and there is a plentiful supply. Customs officials estimate that 1,800 doors cross the border each week. Alberto Negron was one of the pioneers who settled Maclovia Rojas a decade ago. For his family, garage doors have been a blessing. Now he's building a church.
When everything is finished, we're going to have a spiritual party over here, thanking God for His goodness to us.
And for the garage doors that made it possible, a gift their wealthier neighbors to the north didn't even know they were making. David Wright, ABC News, Maclovia Rojas, Mexico.